Layer rounding logic and precise Z-height feature. Hello. In this video, we're diving into two important topics that directly affect print height accuracy in Bambu Studio: layer rounding and the precise Z-height feature. These are especially crucial when working with models that require mechanical precision. What is layer rounding? When your 3D printer slices the model, the selected layer height may not divide the total model height perfectly. In such cases, Bambu Studio applies a rounding algorithm to determine the number of layers to print. Objective: to determine the total number of layers for printing. The slicer checks the center Z height of each layer. If the center of the last layer exceeds the total model height, that layer is skipped. If it's equal to or less, the layer is included. Example: layer height 0.2 millimeters, model height 0.5 millimeters. Two layers are printed, total printed height is 0.4 millimeters. This means the model is 0.1 millimeters shorter than it should be. The problem and the solution. Precise Z height. Due to this rounding behavior, there may be a discrepancy between the actual and printed model height. This is a big issue for models where exact mechanical dimensions matter. The solution: the precise Z height feature. What does the precise Z height feature do? Introduced in Bambu Studio version 1.9, this feature adjusts the final 5 layers at a micro level to ensure the model's final height matches its true intended value. Result: the actual model height is preserved. Dimensional errors are prevented. Example scenario: first layer 0.2 millimeters, remaining layers 0.24 millimeters. Total 7 layers 0.2 plus 0.247 equals 1.88 millimeters. Target model height 2.0 millimeters if precise Z height is OFF. Model is underprinted at 1.88 millimeters if precise Z height is on. Final 5 layers are adjusted to match the 2.0 millimeters target exactly as you can see. Ensuring accurate height and layer counts is not just about print quality, it's also essential for dimensional accuracy. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at variable layer height, which allows you to dynamically adjust layer thickness throughout the model, providing faster prints without compromising quality in the critical areas. See you there.